Virgo. Hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is the new moon in Gemini reading, and thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel. I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, love, health, wealth, and so many good vibes from me to you guys. And yeah, guys, if you guys are wondering that which deck I'm using, so this is the Good Tarot deck. This is I'm using right now. So let's start your reading, Virgo. This is for the Virgo people. Okay, Ace of Swords. So something wants to come out first. Okay. The clarity is coming for you, Virgo. Definitely, if you are wondering that about something, so message is coming for you. Wow, Six of Wands. So this is your overall energy. The Six of Wands, the victory. Beautiful. I'm feeling that you are feeling like you are like flying in the air after winning that contract or that person or that situation, whatever that is. You are very happy by winning this competition, because this is the Six of Wands after the Five of Wands. So definitely you have won some kind of competition. Wow, Sun. Okay. Virgo. So we have Eight of Wands, Lovers, and the Eight of Pentacles, which are telling me that communication in love. I'm feeling from these three cards that after this communication, this connection will grow. Yeah, this communication is necessary for the growth of this beautiful soul connection, soulmate connection. This is very powerful connection from the universe. You have already met your match. This is like Eight of Wands. Okay, communication. If the person have to travel towards you, definitely they will travel for you, to see you, to meet you, to want to spend their time with you, because they want to grow this connection with you. With the Eight of Pentacles, you can see the tree is growing, and also want stability with you. They want to grow their self old with you. They want to be old with you. Wow, beautiful, Virgo. Okay, this is also travel cards. I'm feeling that you are coming back after winning some like victory. What is this Lovers about? Okay, listen. We have Nine of Cups, King of Pentacles, and the Queen of Swords. Yeah, I forgot. This is in your current energy. I'm feeling that you are wishing, you have wished for something, and now your wish is coming true with this Nine of Cups energy, because you were sending the clear thoughts towards the universe, like what you want. You were sending those clear prayers or clear thoughts, clear intentions, like you were very clear what you want to get in your life. And at the same time, you are very grounded, you are very nurturing, you want stability as well. Okay, so yeah, this is your wish fulfillment. Beautiful. With the Sun, Seven of Wands, and the King of Cups are present here, telling me that definitely you want to be happy, and happiness is coming your way. And I'm feeling that you are little bit taking a leap of faith with this Seven of Wands, because this is unicorn jumping out of the cliff. So you are taking a leap of faith to get yourself happy. This is a risk you are taking, and there is another person, water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio, who is watching you. They love your courageous things, like Virgo. They are like deeply in love with you, because they know whichever you have decided, you will make it done. Yeah. What is this Lovers about for the Virgos? What is this Lovers about? Definitely very strong soulmate connection, but if there is a choice, we'll see that. Four of Swords, Five of Cups, Nine of Wands. Okay. Okay, definitely. This connection is your reward. I'm feeling like this because you have overcome these things, these sadness. You have overcome this sadness. You are healed from that, and you make your healthy boundaries in the life with the people you are dealing with. That's why universe is giving you the right person, because you are not, you don't have your heart like on this on your sleeve. No, you are not like that person. You are very logical, you are very grounded person, very nurturing. You want stability, you don't want to be waste your time in dating and in anything else. No, you want commitment. If you love the person, then you want to commit with them. Yeah. So you have overcome this sadness, you have healed from that sadness and whatever was the worry in the past, and you have made healthy boundaries. That's why this is your reward. Wow. What is this Nine of Cups about? What is this Nine of Cups for the Virgo? Four of Cups. Okay. Hanged Man. Ace of Cups. Wow. Okay, so there is an opportunity surrounding you, but you were not paying attention, or like something has happened that you feel very stuck, that you cannot approach towards that opportunity. You can't approach that, like that was your mindset that this is not for you. Like the opportunity was there, but you were thinking, and you were like having thoughts that that opportunity was not for you. That's why you didn't make any move. But now universe is giving this to you, because this is Ace of Cups, very beautiful. New, this must be a new person, because new love situation is here. Why is the Sun here? Why is the Sun here? Three of Swords, Four of Pentacles, Ten of Wands. Yeah. Okay, I have this Empress under the deck. So definitely Sun will bring this beautiful abundance for you. You can see this is very beautiful combination of cards, Empress with the Sun. So definitely new hope, new things, abundance, prosperity, and this Sun will end all these heartaches, all this heartbreak, all this holding back, all the burdens. This new hope will, this new day will end all these, because this is also ending with the Ten of Wands. So definitely ending of heartbreak, ending of holding back, ending of not being yourself. Yeah, this is you, and this is your reward. So are you happy now? Okay, so what is this Seven of Wands about for the Virgos? Magician, Page of Wands, Patience, which is the Temperance card of the tarot. Some of you are dealing with Sagittarius. Okay, so Virgo, I'm feeling that this Seven of Wands, definitely you are manifesting this abundance and happiness for you, because you are now very grown up person. You have overcome so many difficult situations in your life, and now you are literally very mature, very stable, and you are manifesting very beautiful things in your life. You are manifesting this success in your life with the Six of Wands present here. And this is the Patience card, which is the Temperance of the tarot. And universe is deciding at the divine timing then that when they will send you the new person, because this is Page of Wands, the new communication, the new offers. A new person must be a younger person, but definitely they are coming towards you. Okay, so what is King of Cups? What is this King of Cups about? Two of Swords, World. Okay, Hermit, Virgo, here you are. So Virgo, yeah, definitely you are ending that confusion, because this is World, ending and new beginnings. And I'm feeling that you have something like some kind of plan of traveling, and but you can't decide. But now you have decided that yeah, you will travel towards that specific place. And yeah, because you want to know some kind of answers. You have overcome so much of your life, like you have overcome so many difficulties, and now you are ascension. So you are in the ascensioning process, definitely. And there is a person, like if in this adventure or in this trip or travel, you will meet someone who has deep emotions for you. This is for some of you. So definitely things are going to be great for you, because we have Sun and Empress here. And definitely true love situation is coming for you. So yeah, are you ready for this, Virgo? This is beautiful. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.